Hey guys, for another video. So of course I'm using my tripod again. So like, we're just waiting to go somewhere. You'll know if you saw my last video. So go check that out and leave a thumbs up. Yeah, so don't know really what I'm gonna do in this video. Like, we're leaving soon. My dad's testing out something on his phone, like Bluetooth or something. Or taking a picture over stereo. Yeah, I don't know what he's doing. So, I know I am a new YouTuber, so, well, not new, because don't upload that much now, but I will start uploading more. So my eye looks very weird. So yeah, guys, this is awesome. Tripod. So we're gonna head there in a second, and there's this group of like birds flying around. That's one. Of course they leave now. Not there. Oh, they've flown around 19 times. One sec, guys, I've got to stretch out the legs. Ah, God. It's a bit messed up because I don't really, this is my first day of using it. Yes, okay. I got the tripod back up. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, hit that like button. And see all you guys in the next video.